In today's fast-evolving beauty and wellness landscape, one trend is creating waves across India: the hair extension industry. From Bollywood-inspired makeovers to Instagram-driven fashion looks, the demand for beautiful, voluminous, and instantly transformative hair is skyrocketing. India's beauty market is no longer just about skincare or makeup. It's now embracing hair transformations like never before. From bridal salons and influencers to college students and professionals, people are turning to hair extensions as a quick, stylish, and confidence-boosting solution. Whether you're a beauty professional, a salon owner, or a passionate entrepreneur, entering the hair extension business can open doors to massive growth and profits. We'll cover everything in this video: target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, funding and investment options, profit margin, company incorporation and legal compliance, supporting documentation, strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. Before you jump into production or imports, it's crucial to understand who you're selling to. In India, your target audience includes salons and beauty parlors, bulk buyers who need extensions for bridal and makeover clients, brides and event clients looking for premium temporary extensions for their big day, influencers and stylists, professionals who need high-quality wigs and clip-ins for styling shoots, urban working women, those who prefer ready-to-wear extensions for daily convenience, fashion enthusiasts and college students, experimenting with different colors and styles, and importantly, export clients from the USA, Europe, and Africa, who value authentic Indian Remi hair. Each segment has unique expectations, from affordable synthetic options to luxurious human hair extensions. Market research and analysis. According to industry reports, the Indian hair extension and wig market is currently valued at over 1,000 crore rupees, and it's growing steadily at a rate of around 12 to 15% every year. By 2035, this market is expected to cross 4,000 crore rupees, driven by increasing beauty awareness among youth, growth of influencer culture and salon-based styling, and rising e-commerce penetration across Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Human hair extensions dominate India's export sector, while synthetic and clip-in extensions are driving online sales on platforms like Amazon, Nykaa, and Meesho. Some of the leading brands already capitalizing on this trend include Hair Originals, Diva Divine, Niche Hair, One Hair Stop, and Indike Hair. If you're planning to enter this industry, conduct competitive pricing research and read customer reviews to identify the exact quality and styles your audience wants. Marketing and sales strategy. To stand out in this fast-growing market, focus on branding and positioning that connects emotionally with your audience. Emphasize your unique selling proposition, whether it's 100% natural Indian Remi hair, tangle-free clip-ins, vegan synthetic fibers, or custom wigs designed for Indian tones. Choose premium and informative packaging that feels aspirational yet authentic. Also, showcase certifications like cruelty-free, ISO, or ethical sourcing on your products. Now, let's talk about sales channels. Build your own direct-to-consumer website for better profit margins. Sell through e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Nykaa, and Flipkart. Partner with salons, beauty retailers, and wedding studios for offline sales. And if you plan to export, target markets like the USA, Nigeria, UAE, and Europe, where Indian human hair is in huge demand. Promotional tips. Collaborate with beauty influencers and hairstylists. Showcase before and after videos. Offer samples to salons, and take part in beauty expos and wedding fairs. Financial planning. Starting a hair extension business doesn't require massive capital. You can begin modestly and scale gradually. Here's a breakdown of estimated startup costs. Product sourcing and manufacturing is around 2 lakh to 8 lakh rupees. Branding and packaging might set you back 1 to 3 lakh rupees. For website and technology setup, expect to spend between 50,000 to 1.5 lakh rupees. Marketing and influencer collaborations could cost you 2 to 5 lakh rupees. Legal and compliance costs are around 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Inventory and logistics can range from 1.5 to 4 lakh rupees. So, that brings your total estimated investment to around 8 lakh to 22 lakh rupees, depending on your scale and product range. A smart way to begin is by launching just 2 or 3 varieties of extensions, like clip-ins, tape-ins, or ponytails, before expanding. Funding and investment options. If you're wondering how to fund your business, here are a few great options. Bootstrapping. Use personal savings to test and launch. Bank or mudra loans. Perfect for MSME and women-led startups. Angel investors. Interested in D2C beauty and influencer-driven brands. Startup India and state schemes. Government support under fashion, beauty, or export categories. Crowdfunding platforms, especially effective for eco-friendly or sustainable hair extension brands. Profit margins. The hair extension business is highly profitable, with gross margins typically ranging from 45 to 70%. Wholesale or salon distribution gives you 30 to 40% margins. Private label or imported products offer 40 to 50% margins. D2C online sales deliver the highest margins, up to 70%. And if you venture into exports, profits can go as high as 80%. With consistent marketing and quality assurance, most businesses reach break-even within 12 to 15 months. Company incorporation and legal compliance. Before you begin operations, it's essential to register your company correctly. Choose the right structure, sole proprietorship for small home-based sellers, or maybe an LLP and private limited company if you plan to scale and attract investors. You'll need the following: GST registration for all sales, whether online or offline. Import-export code, if you're sourcing or shipping internationally. Trademark registration to protect your brand identity. ISO or GMP certifications to ensure product quality and credibility. And don't forget Udyam MSME registration to benefit from government incentives. Supporting documentations. Keep all your documentation and product certifications ready before launching. That includes product sourcing or manufacturing agreements, quality assurance and testing reports, labeling and packaging compliance certificates, vendor and distributor contracts, ethical sourcing statements for human hair, and, of course, business insurance for product liability. How Market Research Universe can help. At Market Research Universe, we help entrepreneurs, beauty startups, and established brands confidently enter the hair extension industry with data-backed strategies. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances and documentation. Our solution: MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform.
So, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set, and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 8 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh program in market research and business consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I am also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now this is the India best and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course through this platform our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me. and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship, and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long term business for you, okay, with a 100% success, okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days, okay. After that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that. Or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go to market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to keep continuing with your branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.